Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be talking about what we call Fiverr affiliate. We all know what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing is about selling a particular product or a particular course, then you get commission on that particular product. Maybe there'll be a percent that you actually get after you sold that particular product, service or course. So and you can also find this on Fiverr. You can find this on the Fiverr website where you share the links. So when people register through the link, or you sell Fiverr course, so when people buy this course on Fiverr, then you get a particular commission. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to have access to this affiliate program, Fiverr affiliate program. And I want you guys to know that this affiliate program is actually free. It's free on Fiverr. So just come to the website www.fiverr.com. But before you come on this website, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and like the video. So guys, let's go into today's tutorial. So come to the website www.fiverr.com. I'm currently on the website, and down here at the footer menu you can see where we have selling on Fiverr. We have the support bar, we have the community, and we have more from Fiverr. And you will see around this community side, you will see where they wrote affiliate. Just click on the affiliate side, and it will take you to this page. As you can see Fiverr affiliate. Boost your earning by driving traffic to Fiverr, then promote the leading marketplace for freelance service. Get paid to drive traffic. It's that easy. So basically what this affiliate marketing is all about is that you share Fiverr link, and when people register through your Fiverr and start making money, or you start selling their course or start learning on Fiverr, so you get a particular commission. So let me walk you through how you're going to register on this affiliate program. So you can see you choose your commission plan, you join as an affiliate. The first plan is you join as an affiliate, and something exciting about this particular affiliate is that it is free to get started. You know, a lot of affiliate program outside, it's not always free. You have to pay to have access to the particular product or service. So Fiverr affiliate is actually a free affiliate program. It's free to get started, access marketing tools and more. Then you promote Fiverr. So after you've joined, you have a particular link that they will assign to you. So when people register through that link, you start getting your money. Share Fiverr with your target audience. There's a match for every need. There's a way you can actually get targeted audience to register through your link, and you started getting money. And the last one is you start earning once you start promoting. So let's check through the commission plan, but don't join yet. You can see this CTA button that we have right here. It says join now, but I don't want you guys to join now, but I want to walk you through the commission plan. So let's check the commission plan. As you can see, this is the commission plan. Fiverr offers service in every digital category. That means you can actually select the particular niche that you want to promote. Maybe you want to promote Fiverr course, maybe it's a programming course. You can actually select that particular course that your audience will be so interested in. So let's look for a particular plan. So you can see we understand every vertical and audience is different. So they offer a lot of services, a lot of course that you can actually choose any audience to sell this to. You can see this is Fiverr CPA, cost per action. This is Fiverr cost per action. We will have $15 to $150 CPA. So a dynamic CPA depending on what service your first time buyer purchases. So that means it depends on the kind of service you want to promote. That will be your commission. So it depends. So let's see this one. Fiverr hybrid. You have $10 CPA and plus $10 revenue share, and you can actually promote more products on Fiverr. You can see we have Fiverr business. You can get as much as $100 plus 10%. You get $100 plus 10% of that particular product. Affiliate program. You can come on this particular page and search for what the particular niche that you want to go into. This is the industrial and product design, data science. That one is $40. Website development. That one is $40. website builder. That one is $30. So you can just come on it and you start making your money as Fiverr affiliate. But I want you guys to remember that Fiverr affiliate is actually a free affiliate marketing program. So you don't need to pay anyone before you can start making money as a Fiverr affiliate. So you can just come on the website fiverr.com and start making money as a Fiverr affiliate. So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I want you guys to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends so that they can know more about what Fiverr affiliate is all about. So guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.